Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make Ankara Beach Bra. So these are the materials I will be using. I'll be using this Ankara fabric, tape rule, then scissors. So on your Ankara fabric, this fabric is in two pieces. The width is 8 inches width. Length, the width is 8 inches. That is 8 inches length, 8 inches width. So fold your Ankara fabric into equal part, like a triangle, like this. Then bring this part like this. Then cut it out from this is what it looks like. So we'll do the same thing for this one. Your fabric like this into two equal parts, like a triangle. Then fold this part also like this. Then fold this. This is what it looks like. So now this is front of the Ankara fabric and this is front. So when you want to sew, you're going to sew it like this. This is the back. You stitch this straight down, and we'll also do the same to this one. This is how I will stitch it. So I will go ahead and stitch them. So guys, after stitching, this is it. I've stitched the 4 of them, so I will turn it inside as this is the front part. So I will lay this like this and I will turn this part also. This is the front part. Then this one, front facing front, I will lay it on this other one. I'm going to stitch like this and to this part. I'm not going to stitch this down. This part, this is the front. Then this is the front side. So front facing front. I'm also going to stitch round to this point. So guys, this is it. So you turn it inside out. I'll also turn this. So guys, after turning it out, this is what it looks like. So we are going to stop stitch, like you stitch from here to this side. Then we will do the same for this one too. We will stop stitch it to this point. Okay guys, I've stop stitch this and I've also done the same for the underbust. I'm using this. My waist measurement is 30 inches, so I added 10 inches. This is 20 inches and this is on fold, and the width is 3 inches. So fold your Ankara fabric into two. Remember, this Ankara fabric is 40 inches length. Notch the center and notch this center as well. So you open it up. This is the middle now. Pick your tape rule and measure ½ inch on this side and ½ inch on this side. So you pick this. Please, this is the front side of this Ankara fabric. This is the back. This is the front side. So you pick this also. So I will go and stitch from this part down to this part. Okay guys, I've gone ahead and stitch. So you turn it, it was like this, you bring it and fold 1/2 inch. Let me pin. So I will stitch all the way down till this point. Fold 1/2 inch here also. Fold 1/2 inch on this part. 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. Fold it on themselves. When you get to this end, fold 1/2 inch also, and you stitch straight down. Then we'll do the same for this side. So I'll go ahead and stitch. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead to stitch. So now it's remaining the handle. For the handle, we're going to use this Ankara fabric, these 2 pieces. The length of this Ankara fabric is 18 inches length. Then the width is 1.5. So we will fold 1/2 inch on this part, 1/2 inch on this part, and fold on their self. So I will sew it straight down, and I will do the same for this other one. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and stitch straight down, and I also stitch these 2. So this will be for the handle. You place this here. So we will sew in a V shape. That's the way the thread is already. So you sew like this and stop here. So we'll stitch this in a V shape. So I'll go ahead and stitch. Okay guys, so I've gone ahead and stitched the handle. I'll cut this little excess. So this is what Ankara Beach Bra looks like. So this handle, you tie it to your neck. Tie this handle to your neck. Then this one, tie it to your back. So guys, this is the finished work of our Ankara Beach Bra. So tell me what you feel about this tutorial in the comments section.